Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this window of Telegram and you will click here in this page, as you see in this window. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.